Hello, this is lesson 5. In this lesson, I will introduce two pinyin initials, m and f. Let's go for the first one, m. So when you want to pronounce this initial, you close your lip, bring your tongue a little backward in your mouth, so let the air actually flow out of your nose. The previous two initials, b and p, the airflow is come out of the mouth. Here, please allow the airflow come out of your nose. Then let the voice come out of your mouth. Mo, mo. So if you want to compare this pronunciation with English, it's very similar when you say man. So you have a airflow from your nose. More. Okay. The second one, for. So this one, you put your teeth, up teeth, a little bit connect to your down lip and make a small crack between it. Leave a little space. Let the air flow through this small space. Say for, like when you say football in English, the pronounce is quite similar. You say for. Alright. Let's combine more and for with the finals we have learned in the past videos. First one, combine more with a. We say more, a, ma, ma. Second time, ma. Third time, ma. Fourth time, ma. Okay, so for the first time, ma, this means mom. And a pair of you we learned, ba. That is a combination of bu and a. Here, for mom, it's ma, first time. And the second time is ma, means help. It's a plant. The third time is ma, it's horse. So the writing is very simple. You write like this. The last one is the fourth tongue, ma. The meaning is curse. When you want to curse somebody, it's ma. Okay. When you combine more with o, more, o, more. So it's the first tongue. Then you go second tongue, more. Third tongue, more. More. These are the corresponding character. The first one, more, means touch. More means meal. Here I write as a noun, but actually it can be the action, the verb, to grind or to meal. More means wipe. More, ink. Again, this character complicated, but still I wish you remember how this word look like. It's an important verb for you to remember, and also this one. When you combine for with a, fa, is the first time. Second, fa. Third, fa. Fourth, fa. So for the first time, I show you here a character, fa means send. For example, you want to send an email or you send a mail. They say fa mail. Second one, fa, is punish or punishment in a noun. Third one is 法, means law, or order, or method, technique. And the fourth one, 发, is hair. Here you will see these two characters are the same. I want you to have an idea that in Chinese, for the same character, it might have 1, 2, 3 way to pronounce. And with a different tone, it means different thing, although they're going to be written exactly the same. The last combination is 4 and O. You see I made 3 crosses, and the first, third, and fourth tone. It again means, although you can pronounce these 4 pronunciation, but you can hardly find the Chinese character corresponding to this pronunciation. So for the combination of 4 and O, there's only the second tone, 4. You can find the Chinese character to relate to it. It means the Buddha. Alright, today we learned 2 new initials, m and f. I wish after the lesson you try to combine all what we have learned in the past several lessons to feel the Chinese pinyin. Thank you for watching. And please remember to sub up, share, save, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.